Hello guys and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we will talk about the command less. First I'll type ls, press enter. Now as we have seen in the last lesson that we will use the command cat to see files like this one. Let's for example use the command cat and type hound b.txt, press enter. As you can see, it displayed the words in the file, but there is a problem, is that you can't scroll up to see the rest of the file. Cat brings you from the end, but it cannot bring the whole file if the file is large and there are a lot of words. So there is another command that you may use in files that have a lot of words like this one. You will type the command less and then the file and press enter. As you can see, in here the command less has a very nice advantage, is that you can scroll down and scroll up as you like, and if you press on space it will turn a whole page. If you want to search on a particular word or phrase or a sentence, you will type here slash and then type the word and press enter. As you can see, it will appear for you the word that you have searched about. If you press here on Ctrl G, it will display for you the information about this page. For example, that this page has the lines from 43 to 63 and the size, which is 5880 bytes, and the words. Until this page there are 3399 words of this total number of words. And now if you want to get to the last part of this file, you will type capital G. As you can see, it took you to the end of the file. If you want to go to the beginning of the file, you will type G. As you can see, it took you back again to the beginning of the file. And then to get out of the file, you will type Q. And by that we have learned about the command less. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.